Welcome to the kitchen. I'm Chef Victoria Love. We have these beautiful peaches, so I thought what better way to use them than to make a peach cranberry crisp, which is wonderful. It is beginning to be fall here, and I was thinking of a wonderful fall dessert to make. We're gonna use some cinnamon, ginger, brown sugar, and in our crisp topping, we're gonna have baking powder, our oats, flour, and sugar, and I'm gonna put some melted butter over all of it too. And it's gonna taste absolutely wonderful. So please watch the video and let me know if you like it in the comments below, and please click like and subscribe. So let me get everything mise en place and I'll show you how to make it. I sliced all my peaches, and this is about 5 pounds of peaches, and we're gonna put them into our lasagna size baking dish. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna add in our chopped butter. This is 4 tablespoons, I cubed it. And we just wanna spread that out. And to this, we're gonna add our 1/4 cup of Old Fashioned Oats. We'll sprinkle that over. And then I have 2 tablespoons of sugar and 2 tablespoons of brown sugar. We're gonna sprinkle that over the top. Of course, you're gonna break that up. We wanna get that all covered with the sugar. And now we're gonna sprinkle over our 1 cup of dried cranberries. Now, I wanna make sure I can spread this in, and then I'll top it off with as many peaches on top as I can. Everything in there, and we're gonna roast this in the oven, 350 degrees for 35 to 40 minutes. While the peaches are in the oven roasting, we're gonna get together our crisp toppings. So we're gonna add, this is 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of light brown sugar tightly packed, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and a 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger. Then you want to get it on to the stand mixer, and we're going to add the paddle attachment and mix it until it's combined. I did this earlier. I cut the butter into small cubes and put it in the freezer, because now we're going to add it into our dry ingredients, and we're going to do the cut in butter method. So that means we're going to add the cold cubed butter to our dry ingredients, mix it on low until it cuts into our dry ingredients, and it should look like sand. So it's going to take a while. So let's get that mixing. There they go. They've been in there for 45 minutes and they look amazing. I'm gonna take them out and stir them up. As soon as you have these clumps forming, we're gonna add in our oats and just mix it in gently together. And that is 3/4 cup of oats. And we'll just stir it. Once you're finished stirring, just spread it down and make sure it's nice and flat. And now we can add in our topping. And we just want these crumbled lumps all over the top. So just sprinkle it all over, spread it out evenly. Got the oats mixed in with our brown sugar, butter, flour, baking powder with cinnamon and ginger. It's gonna taste absolutely wonderful. So sprinkle this all over the top, and we're gonna get back into our 350 degree oven. We're gonna bake it for another 30 minutes until we got a nice golden brown edge on this. Here is our beautiful peach cranberry crisp. It smells amazing. You could smell this out in the hallway. The flavors were wafting through the air. Look how beautiful that is. I can't wait to take a bite. Oh, this is so good. You will be so happy when you make this. It's absolutely phenomenal. I love it. I can't believe it came out so good. I'm so happy. So I'm going to share this with my students and they will enjoy it too. Please check out all the videos on my YouTube channel. I have over 485 and I keep making about 1 a week. So come back for more. Thank you, everybody. Thank you so much for joining me in the kitchen. Leave me a comment and let me know how you like the recipe. For more recipe demonstrations, please click like and subscribe to Chef Victoria Love's YouTube channel and have fun in the kitchen. Thank you.